So
share my screen.
okay, perfect. Awesome. And then if you want to just copy what I just sent.
Just put it down at the bottom.
So let's look at what is the bottom here. All right.
Our stuff's not in order at all.
Okay. Yeah, I guess let's just put it at the bottom because I don't really know. I have it in different places. Like I have my attachment blocks at the bottom and then, all right. We might need to add the 3 dashes at the top if they're not already there.
Is this the,
review before signature. Yes, okay, so that is, no, keep going up, keep going up. That's it. Review all sections, is that, I think it starts correct.
Before. I want to take this off, it's really hot in my apartment.
Yeah, it starts at review all sections. Okay, so that's perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna go down a little bit and where it says generic, I think it says it twice, generic motion for, you can't really search for it because it's the full like PDF name with the underscores. Just keep scrolling. Here, so that one, you're gonna want to put the name of your form in there. Whatever the template name of your form is, you're gonna wanna put there. Okay. So that might be in your metadata, yeah.
I think that's it. Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna want the whole thing.
I don't think it's called attachment. I think that's in metadata. Is it?
Ours is just lowercase w.
No, you want this one, the PDF
template delay.
file. The PDF template file is the marriage without delay.pdf. That one. Yep.
Did I just delete it?
Did it go away? No. Is it? It's gone.
It's okay. I got a copy. Wait, yeah. I need to get my mouse. Copy this code.
So that for that one, yeah. Do you have just the ability to copy and paste it just because it kind of needs to be exact? Yeah.
But no PDF, right?
With the PDF.
With PDF, okay.
Yeah. And then keep scrolling.
That's the bottom.
So do those 2 as well.
Oh, yeah.
Because that's the name of your template. Because we can go in, and then the one above it in the Mako tags. Perfect. Do you want to just save it and then we'll go into the template just to double check that this is the name?
Sure. And go into what template? Like
template at the top. So if you have the folders at the top here and then templates, search for it. Oh, I have no idea where we are. Okay, .pdf. Do you know minors? What's that one?
One of our old ones.
Okay. So that's perfect. And then you can go back. Let's save and run. And let's see if it works.
It's,
Is it already doing something wrong?
No, my only thought is that it's not in our order block. Any of what we just copied in, it's not going to be in our order block.
That's a great point. Okay, let me think about this.
We just have to throw it.
Go back to your playground because I do have to do that step. All right, interview order. I think you just have to add right above where it says download. You're definitely going to have download already in your interview order, right? Is this your interview order?
No.
Okay.
Your order block.
Okay. Just,
We have a custom or like download question, so I think that we would need to.
you have a custom download question. What is that?
It's like our download and exit screen. Because we need to have some information on it. So like we've put it in to edit it.
Okay.
This, which we would need to like make sure that we're using the one that you've just sent. I don't want to lose our customization yet.
Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put it below this question.
Move this down.
No. Go into the interview order. Below this question. After finding. Yeah. Download. And then above download, you're going to set just hit Command V or the paste what the variable was. Right, marriage without delay .pdf, perfect, equals true with a capital T. And then we can go back into the other one, just save it, and then we'll go back and just continue on with the interview that you were already working on. You don't have to resave and run, but we can just redo it.
Like refresh it, you mean?
Yeah.
So this is the one that we already.
Perfect. It's working.
That's
that form, it was doing something right. So go. You can go back for a second.
Yeah. The one that showed up was the one that we already had programmed in.
But scroll down. You didn't have this, did you?
Yeah, we did.
You did. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go to the code that you already have in, because it could be actually. Let's go to the source code.
Okay. One of the problems I think is going to be that we already have a true set to true.
Or mark any unfilled fields as D. This helps avoid errors if you're comment at the line below. Schedule delay preview question. Yeah, try commenting that out.
What, this?
The first marriage without delay equals true.
This comment refers to this. Just so.
No, I'm just talking about 95.
Yeah.
What is it? Mandatory. Try to run mandatory. Oh, let's start. What are the what do you have set as mandatory in here? Mandatory true.
Our code block.
Oh, it's trying to run the code. Okay. Let's get rid of the space in the code block as well. Then I wonder if that's gonna work. Did it save? Well, I don't know if the playground saved yet. Did it? A green thing has to show up at the top of the playground. Oh, it did. It did. Okay. All right. So, you see that green thing that shows up?
I think that
Bool object is no attribute. Okay. So I think it's obviously the interview order. Let's go back into the playground. Basic questions. Let's what?
I think if I leave this because this is what it lets it have the original preview
Okay.
that we were talking about earlier. But then I think that the double download questions might be causing issue.
Take it, just maybe do command 3 or pound for, double download. Which one is this?
This is the one that,
Oh, the one you already had in there?
so I would imagine that.
You gotta get rid of one of the 3 dashes. Yeah. So this was already, okay, let's see how that.
The original screen. Yeah, so it wants this one. Okay, now I'm gonna take it out of our order.
But I thought you guys said that was the one you wrote.
It is. I have to get it out of our order though to try to get it.
Yep.
Like if it will run. Yeah.
All right, so if we're gonna take that out, let's go back into the playground. Because what is the?
Is there like another PDF that we need for the cover page? No.
No.
It doesn't know what this is.
Search your playground for PDF. Maybe there's a space somewhere from copy and pasting the code. Here. You have to, no. No. No, that's it. That's all of them. Okay, right? I thought, did we circle? Or no, those are the blocks that just repeat. All right. I have no idea what's going on. This was so much easier with me this morning. Okay, so.
Messed with like our original code like a lot. Like there's a lot of customization.
Yeah, so let's go back into the playground because I think.
Does the error screen tell you what line it's referring to when?
It's talking about.
See how it says line 6540? That's not, we're not talking about a file in our playground, right? Because there's not that many lines.
No, that's from the,
Or line 31, what's that?
I think that it's looking to reference something still that.
Yeah, because it says bool, which is like a yes, no type thing.
So in our code block.
I don't know. I just saw that when we were looking at the error screen.
Yeah, I think that this is causing issues. Because if you don't count these, I don't know if you're supposed to count them, then this one's 31 down.
but we have that blocked off right now, unless there's something within it that,
Does the equal sign need to have spaces on both sides? I don't know if that matters.
don't they both?
Yeah, there's.
I was just asking if that affected it. Maybe.
It does. Yeah, they do need the spaces, I believe.
Okay. Yeah.
Can we go back a page and just look at source? No, yeah.
I'm gonna have to run it again.
Okay. Sorry. That's so interesting.
I can like mess around with this for a while. If just like if we can't figure it out right now.
I'm trying to think about like what else there was in mine as well.
Like I feel like
Bring up the Google Doc with some of the. Okay. Go back one page and look at the source code. It's not gonna let you. There we go. Sorry.
So back a page is just signing.
Yeah. Do source code. Source at the top.
Where's next? Okay.
All the way to the bottom. Needed users one signature. Okay. Completed processing of that and mandatory code. Tried to run. Okay, it is the. This is the problem. But it's saying it needed definition of users one signature.
That's why it ran this question, because it is asking for a signature, which is this. This
that
is
one, and then it's not getting to the next one because the interview order with. But
is wrong. I think. Hold on.
That's literally exactly how I have it in my form. So, marriage without delay, PDF equals true. Download. Maybe take out after filing info, just like comment that out. I don't know if that could be having any effect on it. I have no idea why that is doing that. Let me go back up here.
What does download refer to?
The marriage without delay PDF.
Okay, it's the event.
And yeah, if you go, it's the download. Yeah, so go up to, and you already have it in the search bar. If you just click through, it's gonna be this one, event download. Yep.
I want to try just changing the name and seeing if we can fix it.
I didn't write this. I copied it from Quentin, so I have no idea what that will do.
We had this problem with an event earlier.
Okay.
What should I call this so that we know what it is? What does it do? It downloads.
Download PDF. Download, yeah.
It's like looking for a file. I don't know what that, like what it's talking about though.
Here, let me. Because it's supposed to be the file, the name of the template file you have. So I'm gonna double check this. Sorry, it's taking so long.
Sorry, I'm just trying a few things.
No, of course. Keep going. I'm kind of blocked as well.
Well, I'll look at her a little and like, will you explain to us what this code is supposed to do so that
yeah, it's supposed to bring up a page. So I'm just looking at mine and I'm thinking maybe we don't need to have the .pdf because for mine, it has this number. It's the generic motion family law relabeled _0014, and then that's the number that calls the attachment. And now that I'm in my my templates, it has just generic motion family law relabeled .pdf. And so maybe let me figure out which variable, because the way I learned it was that, and the way it worked for Maeve's form this morning was that it was the name of the template in, like the name of the PDF in the template. But let me see if in my, I don't know if this makes sense. So let me go back to, you know what I'm talking about right now? The things we changed to get, like when you were changing at the beginning, the 3 things in this, where you changed it from the generic motion family law. Let me just figure out where. Can you go to your metadata? All right, perfect. Make sure to define interview metadata. Okay, delete the .pdf.
In our order block.
And then delete the .pdf in the other.
Like here.
Yep. Delete it there, and then there's one other place. Yep, right there. Did you delete it in the order block too? Okay.
Thinking about it.
Oh, there it is. Wonderful. Okay. And then now you're gonna do submit to Barnstable District Court. Next. There's going to be a bunch of more. There's going to be interpreter. That it just has to ask these questions. You can override all of these. New interpreter no. If you say yes, you'll have to enter a language. This is more stuff. Okay, now here we go. What did we do? Should be our question object. Oh, so let's go back to, because we had pounded out some of the. What is it called? When you do the pound?
Comment.
Comment it out, yeah.
Comment it out, yeah. Perfect. Okay, we'll bring those back in, and let's see, like the one you wanted. Yep.
This was just us. Okay.
And then where's the other one? No, up in your interview order.
I think that was the only one.
Okay.
And then this is just the question that we counted out. Sorry, I know how to add them in fast. I don't know how to get rid of them fast.
I was just thinking that as well.
None of this is where it needs to be. Yikes.
Okay. This is a different error now. Download an exit screen. Here's your final form next.
I just have I'm missing a space. Oops, I just closed it. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. This is a
Form delivery complete.
It's just all these variables it doesn't know what to do with.
Oh God. Okay. don't know why it's having that problem. Let's see. So, where else do we have the .pdf in there? In your, okay. That's fine, because that's the file. Is that it?
Review unsigned. Yeah, that's it, those two.
So go back up to your order block. Scroll down. Okay, signature date. Can we get rid of the send review and just have download again? Yeah, so we're just, let's try that.
It's telling us that question object has no attribute content. I don't know, but it's not sure what to do with these variables.
I'm like trying to figure out what else I have in my code that like does it. I don't think so. You have it in the attachment and you changed the .pdf. Where does it have, yeah, where does it have those variables?
It's in the download code block.
Color primary. Yeah, Finolas didn't know what send icon meant. I never had that issue. I don't know. Do you have the include basic questions YAML at the very top of your code? Okay.
Where is it even? Ready to email. That's not even actually in here.
I don't know where it's coming from.
I assume that it's like maybe some of this, but
Yeah.
the form to file no cover.
Is one of them?
No, I don't think it is, but I think it's probably sourcing something. Oh,
Final form.
like
File no cover. Need a definite. Let me see what I have for that.
yeah, like it's looking for a definition of that, but the code's all commented out. So
File.
and do I have the cover page YAML? That would like definitely be helpful probably. There, oh yeah, I do have it, okay. Because see here, it's telling us where it's trying to source things from. So from the basic questions from cover page.
So
Cover page YAML, yeah, it's trying to pull stuff from there that for some reason it's not working. Oh, because we don't have include, maybe. Like, know how we have include basic questions? Do we need to include the cover page YAML?
Oh, I don't have that. I just have include doc assemble virtual cover page. Let me see where I have that one. That one should be at the very top. This is what I was talking about. Bring this include box.
Yeah.
All the way to the very top of the code. Yeah.
We've never had any problems with it. But so what I'm saying is maybe we need to have one for the cover page.
I don't have that, but let's try.
try it. It's really quick.
Wait, can we just try it with just bringing that all the way to the top? You know what I mean? Yeah, okay, save. Okay, now let's try including that. Yeah, I don't have the,
Yeah, I don't know. I just like if it's no.
yeah, I don't have that. This is so weird. Okay.
I'm just trying to mirror this a little bit more. Nope.
Huh. Okay. So I have no idea. Hmm. Let me just ask you. I don't think it was the form to file no cover. That's the issue.
Say that again.
The form to file no cover variable. Oh, can you search your code for form to sign? Form underscore to underscore sign.
That one there.
Yeah, let's okay, that's in the one I sent you. All right, let's continue through because if you have that other places, it might be making it freak out. Okay, that's review before signature. Is that's one of the ones that I sent, right? Yeah. Review, yes, okay. Continue. Actually, can you go back to that last one? Yeah, that one. You're just gonna want to put a space in front of the Mako tag, between the F and the one below.
Where?
Above the progress 95 bar.
The space here?
No, there's a Mako tag. Yeah, there you go. Okay, and then let's see. More. Is that all of them?
Okay. So, no, it's after it though. I wonder, this is like a screen that we had after our
Yep.
like finishing one before we had like the download, and it's like a last steps page. And because it has the exit on it, I'm wondering if that is causing problems. So
What variable do you use to call for it?
after filing info. So I think if we comment this out of our order block.
I think it's back in, yeah.
See what happens. That's not what I want. Just might be confusing it with having 2 exits. Yeah.
That's not it, but that was really smart. I have no idea.
We'll play around with it for a little, and if not, we'll just.
I think this is a Quentin question because yeah, I don't know why that's not working. It's so weird. It worked so well with Maeve this morning.
Only natural that it like.
Do we need to define the output file? No, we don't. Because you already have it as your file set to true. You took the PDF out of the .pdf out of the interview order, right? I'm sorry, I think I've asked that like 3 times. I'm like,
Double check.
oh god.
Yeah.
And then what was the? We got to the signature date. We got to the. Where are we? So it's the marriage of that. Oh, equals true.
Oh yeah, we took it out.
That's why. What? Okay, let's go back.
Didn't change the area there.
But it should have. Equals true.
I feel like it's like in the like this download event.
What was the one before that?
So before the download?
Yeah. Download oh, because you have 2. Okay. But it's not calling both at the same time, right?
No.
Shouldn't be.
Let's see what it's actually pulling. I think this is our download.
Does it actually let you download?
Let's see. Let's you open it. It doesn't have a download button.
Download and exit screen. Where is that ID in the code block? Is that the one you wrote? Yeah.
Yeah, download question.
Here's your final form.
So that is this one.
Yep.
And then when we go to next, we're getting this, I believe.
No, you're getting the. Oh yes, you are. Yep.
Download. We hit
next. This is just all of the other things that are coming in through.
So this is from ID cover page instructions. Okay. It's coming from other users. Okay.
And then where one's this coming from? Yeah.
Do you need an interpreter? Which is from the questions.
How question came to be asked. Form delivery complete. Got it. Okay. Ready to mail. Ready to email. Okay. What? All right, works. Looks great.
That makes no sense.
What? I honestly think it must have been the equals true and it taking a delayed save.
Yeah, maybe we're just running this too many times.
But that was definitely having an effect. You can, if you check send me a copy, there should be a drop down. Let's see. Yep. Okay, great. And then do send to court and it's just going to send a lit lab. So let's just see. In the next 15 minutes, back to download screen. Amazing.
I just got the email too.
Okay, and then go, okay, you can't go anywhere else. If you go back twice, I can show you the cover page though, I think. If not, we can run through it again. Resume, I don't know if that's gonna let you. Yeah, it doesn't. The make changes thing isn't really. Let's just run through it one more time and then we can go over the cover page or whatever. And we make sure it actually does its thing. It works though.
That's great news.
This took a bit.
Really do myself.
Oh, yeah, click on it. Wonderful.
Amazing. How do we customize this? Can we?
Okay, yes, you can. So, when we were going through and we were looking at like what are the IDs of these, even though they're being pulled from basic questions, that's how you pull the basic question in and you customize it that way, same way as all the other ones, and then just put them in your interview order however you want. Like I have the interpreter question being asked right, let me go back to my interview order. Yeah, the interpreter question comes up very, like it's like name, address impoundment, and then do you need an interpreter? So you can put them wherever, just like whatever makes sense. And then, because it doesn't make sense to like have the interpreter question at the end of the interview.
Right.
Because in theory, like that should change, like that should be the question that would change the language of the interview, unless they're gonna like have a selector at the beginning. I don't know, but that's not MVP. So, but yeah, so that's how you'd customize them. But trying to think of any of the other things. And then you guys started testing, right? Or no?
No, because we were customize some of it, but you helped us with it, like how to do it this morning.
Okay. All right. Yeah, because you guys are still writing your scenarios, and some of that's going to change because you're going to want to include like a preferred language. So like for Vinny and I, we did Italian just because like we're both Italian and it was just like fun. There's no rhyme or reason to any of these, so you can just like come up with like a language. Yeah, but do you now that looking at the cover sheet, do you know what I mean by the phone number and then mobile number? Because there's the two inputs for those now. And then there's the contact notes. So now that you have those numbers to test, that'll be convenient.
Okay, why does it say no minors here? You know where this is sourcing?